Ça? Ok. Ẹ dákun tó lọ lẹ́ẹ̀bá mi pa rédíò yẹn mo fẹ́ ṣe ìkọ́ni ní ẹ dákun mo fọ́ lọ́wọ́ àbẹ̀yẹ dákun. Kódà ó hó débi gan ni mo ń bọ̀ wẹ̀jọ́. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel before we go. Yeah, this is a tutorial on how to sharpen clipper blade. That is sharpening battle between STAREX and the hard. Can you see HAD? Hard. That's sharpening battle. You want to compare and contrast which one is hard to sharp between the STAREX and the hard clipper blade. The hard clipper blade is in form of tapper. It's in form of tapper. Now I go for the upper clipper blade first. I start from the STAREX. You can see it. Let us watch. So when you watch now, here and here. Yeah, it's okay like this. That is 2 times. That is 10 times, 2 times to and fro for each side. For the STAREX. You now follow me up with mine. These 2 times. Yeah, remaining this side again. At times, the comparison can happen between the hard and softness of the blade, and at times the way they use the blade. That is where we can get the differences. Yeah, this one now. To and fro 10 times, 2 times each for the other side. Now let's check and see what is going on. This one remains small here, remain this area. So this is going to be 3 times now. The STAREX is 2 times, 10 times, 2 times for one side. But this one is going 3 times now. Yeah. Let us clean and check now and see how the inner part be. Yeah, it seems it is clear now. We have getting to that flatness and the shedding across. Now, the upper clipper blade for STAREX 10 times in 2 places for each side, this side and this side. Then for the arch clipper blade, that is tapper type, 10 times, 3 times here, 3 times here. Then let's go for the STAREX bottom clipper blade. Can you see it? So before you sharpen your clipper blade, don't forget, treatment is very important. It's very important. You can't do without the treatment. That is let me put this one down here so that it will not fall down. For the bottom clipper blade, I now go 10 times each for the other side, for each side. Let us watch now and see what is happening. Can you see the work start here from the center now to the front? It is down. That is to and fro 10 times again, making to and fro 20 times for each side. When we see now the shining as cover, but there is still darkness in the middle of the inner part of the small blade. When you watch carefully, the shining as cover, but the black color is still there, which means that area is still down. We need to redo it again, making 3 times now. So we are going for 3 times, and that is 10 into 3 places, 30. That is 10 times to and fro for each side, making 30 here, 30 here. Now, the darkness has cleared by the right hand side here. Remain this side. You watch carefully. This side still remain this side, inner part of it. That black portion is still there. It has cleared in this area. So we are going for number 4 now. So depending on the use of the clipper blade at times, and at times depending on thickness, the adding of the clipper blade or the stubbornness of the clipper blade. So I'm trying to clean the treatment at the back. Yeah, that is to and fro 10 times again, making number 4. Making number 4. Making 4 times. That is 40 times here, 40 times here. The black color is still here. When you watch here carefully, here shine across. Here still remain black color. So the treatment is very important. Very important. What brings all these things is that people who used to pack their blade here, they put something under the blade. It will now raise the bottom of the small clipper blade. That is why it's drilling the inside of this bottom clipper blade. Very hard to sharp. It is very hard to sharp. It is only the professional ones. The professional ones can sharpen clipper blade in my environment. If you are not perfect, you cannot sharpen clipper blade for barbers. Here, they use one clipper blade 6 months, 4 months, 10 months before they resharpen it. They know the way they repackage it. They still black, small. This area is still black. Let's go for number 5 now. Because we must have to do it to taste, so that when they put it in the clipper mouth, it will work fine. So if I'm not mistaken, it's going to be number 5. I mean number 5 number. let me test it now. This 50 times for each side for the bottom clipper blade. Let me put it into test to confirm whether the upper clipper blade and the bottom clipper blade are sharpened correctly, and the surface of the upper and the bottom clipper blade really agreed. Yeah, can you see the carbon form from the left hand side to the right hand side for the upper and the bottom clipper blade in the front and in the back, which means this clipper blade has been sharpened correctly. So this one now, to and fro 20 times here, to and fro 20. It's going to be about 3 times. Okay, this one 3 times, this one 3 times, then this one 5 times here, 5 times here. So this one's balanced now. Then now remain for the hard. Don't forget this one. Okay, 2 times. The upper one 2 times. That is 20 times this side, 20 times the other side. At times that counting do confuse me, but as you are following me, you're supposed to be following me off with mind. You're supposed to follow me up so that as I'm counting, you still help me to count. Wherever I do mistake, you can be able to correct it. Nobody is perfect. We are all learning. You see the face before I start. You see the face. See the surface. That is why I'm saying you must be able to know how to study the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade, upper clipper blade. If you want to become a master in sharpening of the clipper blade, studying of the inner part of the clipper blade is very, very important. Can you see this one now? The work starts by the back. From this shining line now to the front is down. They've raised the clipper blade. Can you see it has chopped the front down than the back side of the inner surface. That is why sharpening of clipper blade is logical, technical, systematically, professionally. Okay. That is 20 times. 20 times. Sit down. Let's go for the third one. Number 2 ń pèsè sọ fún wọn. Yeah, can you see now? Remain here. Remain here. If you are watching my program on internet, if you want to call me, direct call, that is from the same. You use 0816-362-0990 plus 234 for the outside Nigeria. 816-362-0990 for calling, WhatsApp, video call, voice call, chat. You see that you use that number. But when you want to do only WhatsApp, you just type. You type. That is plus 234 813-970-6484. If you call on plus 234 813-970-6484, I will not pick it. There is a reason for that. That is going to be number 4 now. That is 10 times into 4 places. That is 40 times here, 40 times here. When you watch carefully now, there is mark here. This area I'm pointing now, there is darkness there, which means that area is down. All this area now have cleared, but about 100% to be cleared. We have sharpened it to reach about 95% by the right hand side here. But this left hand side now, when you see that corner, after that thicker blade, there is big hole there. We must have to clear it. Sharpening of the clipper blade, if you want to know much about it, you need to subscribe to Master Baba's Hotel, Master Baba's Comedy TV. Subscribe and press the notification button. Tí wọ́n bá yín pọ́n blade bó lè ṣe máa ń ṣe, tó máa ń báwo ni ṣe ẹ̀rẹ́ sí máa ń ṣe? Ó máa ń ṣe dáadáa. still remain a little here. This is going to be number 5 again now. Number 5. Remain little here again by the edge when you watch carefully here. That is number 5 again. Yeah, the total shining across has come and the total flatness. You can now put the upper blade on top of the bottom clipper blade and check to confirm our sharpening. If as you open it now, we now see dark color carbon from the left hand side to the right hand side in the front and in the back for the bottom clipper blade and the upper clipper blade inner surface, which means the clipper blade is sharpened correctly. The low cut, middle cut, screen cut is going to work fine. Let me do the test. You now open it and see. Yeah, that is the sharpening battle between STAREX. This is a STAREX and the hard 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 tapper clipper blade. Yeah, can you see what I'm saying now? See the carbon? You see the carbon from the left hand side to the right hand side, in the front and the back for the upper and the bottom clipper blade, which means these clipper blades are sharpened correctly. But when we now do comparison between the two are the same. This one is 5 times. That is 10 places, 10 to and fruit in 5 places one side, 5 places one side. Then the upper one is 10 times 2 places here, 2 places here. So likewise the same thing with the STAREX, which means this clipper blade and the other one, now this hard and the STAREX, the way they use it or the stubbornness of the iron are almost the same. So if you want to know how to sharpen clipper blade very well, you need to subscribe to Master Barbers Hotel YouTube channel. You need to subscribe to Master Barbers Comedy TV, the 2 channels owned by me. You must have to subscribe. You need to subscribe for you to see more videos. Kí lẹ fẹ́ ṣe? Mo ń bọ̀ ẹ dákun, ẹ fún mi ìṣẹ́jú kan péré. Mo ń bọ̀ wá ní fẹ́ parí. So, and you watch my live. When you go through the YouTube search, you said in the thumbnail of Master Barbers or the Master Barbers Comedy TV uploading or upcoming video, you will see notification there. Please, you press notify me so that the moment I want to go live on each of the channel or at the same time in the 2 channels, you can be able to get the notification. Yeah, this is very important, very important. That notification is very important. If you don't press notify me, you will not see the notification. It has after the tutorial, that is live stream. When uploaded into the YouTube, it is after you can see it, but lively you cannot see it. And you can always still see it again when you subscribe to the channel. So try to press the notification button. Can you see? This is how to sharpen STAREX clipper blade and the hard clipper blade for comparison, contrast and compare. Thank you. See you again. Be expecting another valuable tutorial after this one.